Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. Okay. Your bag is within the weight limit.
Great!
Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is 12 and boarding starts at 10:30.
Thank you. Where is the security check?
Just go straight and turn left. You'll see the security area.
Okay, thank you so much.
Good morning. Please put your bag and phone in the tray.
Sure.
Do you have any liquids or sharp objects?
No, I don't.
All right, you can go through. Attention passengers. Flight number 432 to London is now boarding.
Excuse me, is this the gate for Flight 432?
Yes, please have your boarding pass ready.
Here it is.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.